room now. These are the plants, basically my house plants. They get fed about once every 2 weeks, and as you can tell, they're doing very well. I do have another hibiscus, and this one's in quarantine because it also has spider mites. That's what happened to the one downstairs. But it was a weaker plant to begin with, and these are 3-year-old plants. And the other one just never did take off good. So, like I said, this one's in quarantine, being treated for spider mites. Now we'll check out the balcony garden that we started. And this is a northwest corner of the house. And it doesn't get as much sun as you would think. So things are growing a little slow. But since it's mainly salads, it'll keep them cooler and hopefully make them last longer in the summer. We got the Bibb lettuce, the black-seeded Simpson lettuce. Down here we have a pepper, spinach, broccoli rabe, the tomato plant. I started my fountain, but it has a leak somewhere, so I'm going to have to take it apart and find out where it's. Probably the tube that goes up it is probably getting pretty old, so I'll have to test that out. And that lavender is just not coming back, so I'll have to replace it. My little herb jar and the Swiss chard and the kale is doing well. You see the kale's reaching for the sun. I have to turn that every day. And an overall view, you can see the roses blooming down into the bird garden. And you can see the chicken pen in the back. So I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please think about subscribing to the channel. And in the meantime, stay safe. And remember, dream big. Bye.